Hello everyone, this is Sean Copeland, Chairman and CEO of Regent Bank, and now that everyone has their PPP Paycheck Protection Program loans, now we're going to switch and talk about how are we going to get these loans forgiven. So I'm going to give you 4 steps here, and we are going to make the PPP loan application available to you on our website. So here are the 4 steps to get it forgiven. Number 1, plan to spend the loan only on 4 intended purposes: payroll, mortgage interest, rent, and utilities. And the key is that no more than 25% of the loan can be spent on non-payroll items, okay? Payroll can include about anything: salary, wages, commissions, tips, employee benefits, vacation, personal time, etc., state and local taxes. And remember that both for a sole proprietor and a regular business, the salary is capped at $100,000. You cannot pay anybody for salary over $100,000. Step number 2, watch out for forgiveness traps. You want to make sure that you do certain things to get the loan completely forgiven. Step 1 was one of those things, but also remember that your number of staff must equal or exceed the prior staff that you had before COVID-19. So this is number of employees. And what you're going to do is you're going to look back to the first 2 months of 2020 or February 15th of 2019 to June 30th of 2019, and you're going to look at your head count back then, and you have to get your head count back to that same number for it to be forgiven. You can pick either one of those terms. Number 2, the level of your payroll. The level of your payroll must be at least 75% of what it was back before COVID. So you want to make sure that you're paying at least 75% or better than what you were paying before COVID. And then finally, rehiring. If you offer someone their job back and they say no, all you have to do is document that you made them the offer, you provided the same pay, and they turned you down. And as long as you document that, you can actually count that as an employee for your purposes. So if you're trying, that's all they are requiring you to do. Step 3, you want to keep really good records. So there's several things that you're going to want to have and attach to the application, the forgiveness application. Number 1, you have to have documents verifying that the number of full-time equivalents on your payroll and your salary and wages during that time meet the requirements earlier. So you just want to have something that shows how many employees do you have and what was the salary and wages during the 8-week period. This can be payroll reports, it can be payroll tax filings, it can be income, insurance filings, whatever will show how many employees you had and how much you paid them. You're also going to want documents showing payments of mortgage interest, rent, and utilities. And this can be canceled checks, it can be payment receipts, it can be account statements. Again, pretty flexible, but you've got to have documentation for these things. And then finally, you need to complete the SBA loan forgiveness application and submit it to your lender, not to the SBA, to the bank where you got this application. The application is about 11 pages long. The good news is 6 of the pages are instructions telling you what to do. So the actual application is only 5 pages long. I have it handy right here, and it asks questions such as, this is kind of what it looks like. And we're going to have it available on our website at regent.bank, and it will be very easy there for you to find. And it's going to ask everything from name of your business, address, your loan number, how many employees you had at the time you applied, how many employees you have now, when did you get the money, do you have an EIDL, SBA disaster loan, your payroll schedule, what covered period are you using, basically don't allow the application to make you nervous. It's going to look a little bit overwhelming when you first see it, but after you read through it, just take it easy, take it line by line, and I don't think you're going to have any problems whatsoever. If you do have any issues, please feel free to call us here at Regent Bank, 918-488-0788 in Tulsa, or call any of our other markets as well, and we would be happy to help you. We'll also put all of this information on our website online at regent.bank. Thank you so much, and good luck getting your PPP loan forgiven. Have a great day.